Welcome to itech-blog. Today we will talk about Podman and Red Hat Quay image repository. Just to give you a brief intro, Podman is a daemonless container engine for developing, managing, and running containers and container images on Linux system. Podman is an open source tool. It is more secure than Docker, as the user running a Podman container can only see and modify their own containers. From Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, Docker is not included and not supported by Red Hat. Now, what is Red Hat Quay? Red Hat Quay Container Image Registry provides storage and enables you to build, distribute, and deploy containers. You can visit quay.io for more information and to create your account. Today we will see how to use Podman to create images, push and pull images from Red Hat Quay image repository, also create the container using the pull image, connect to the container and application using curl and also using browser. Let's get started. I am connected to Red Hat Linux version 8.2. To install Podman on Red Hat or CentOS Linux, we can use yum install Podman. And on Ubuntu, you can use apt-get install Podman. I have Podman installed already. Let's verify. As you can see, Podman version 2.2.1 is installed. Now let's create a custom image using Podman. To do that, first we need a container file. I have pre-created a container file. Note that Podman uses container file and Docker uses Docker file. Let's open the container file. In this container file, I'm just creating a custom HTML page using the Nginx image. You can see here, I'm just using the Nginx latest version and creating a simple HTML page and updating that in the Nginx directory. Let's exit out of this and create an image. To create an image, we have to run podman build -t. I'm going to call the image as hello from Podman. And I'm going to put a dot here because the container file is located in this local folder. Let's execute. The image is getting created. There you go. The image is now created. Let's verify. As you can see here, we have hello from Podman created just 8 seconds ago. Let's proceed to push the image to Red Hat Quay repository. So what we are going to do is that the image is now created. We are going to push this image to Red Hat Quay repository. Once we do that, we are going to delete the image locally and pull this same image from the Quay. Let's proceed to push the image to the repository. To do that, we have to run podman push. The name of the image, hello from Podman. Copy, paste, and the address of the quay, quay.io / the namespace. I have created a namespace, itech-blog. And name of the repo should be the same, hello from Podman. Let's execute. There you go. Now the image is pushed to the Podman. You can see here, it skipped some of the steps because the image actually does exist. I pushed it just for testing. Now that we have the image in the Quay repository, let's go and delete the image locally. To do that, we have to see Podman images. Okay, now we are going to delete it. Podman, RMI, remove images. All, I'm going to delete all the images. There you go. All the Podman images are deleted. Let's verify. We do not have any more images. Now the next step is let's pull the image, the same image we just created from the Quay repository. Podman pull. We are pulling this time the same address, so we can copy from here. So we are going to pull the same image. There you go. Let's verify. The image is now available. It is pulled from the Quay. Now we can proceed to create the container using this image. To create a container, we have to run. Let me clear this. Start from the top. To create the container, we have to run podman run name of the container we are going to create. I'm going to put hello from Podman, and the port we are going to use 1080 and in detached mode we're going to use the same image hello from Podman. Now you can see here the name of the image is hello from Podman, which is all lowercase. However, the name of the container I gave it as H capital, F capital, and P capital. Let's execute this thing. There you go. The container is now created. Let's verify. Podman PS. Yep, the container is ready, up for the last 8 seconds, and it is using the port 1080. So now we can go ahead and connect to the container using the port 1080. Let's do that. Curl localhost it is and 1080. There you go. You can see the HTML page. Welcome to Podman. This image is from Red Hat Quay. Now let's connect to the browser and connect to the same localhost 1080. I have opened the browser. Let's go to localhost 1080. You can see, welcome to Podman. This image is from Red Hat Quay repository. Perfect. So we have curled and we also checked in the browser. Let's now proceed to connect to the container and check the processes. To connect to the container, we have to run Podman, the name of the container, hello from Podman, and what we want to run, bin, there you go. We are now inside the container. Let's do a ls. You can see we are connected to the container and we can run queries. Let's now proceed with the cleanup, deleting the containers and images we just created. I'm exiting from here. Podman PS. So we have the container running. Before deleting the container, we have to stop the container. To do that, Podman stop container ID. There you go. The container is now stopped. Let's verify. It's not there. The stop containers we can see by -a switch. You can see that it's exited 10 seconds ago. Now to delete all the containers, we have to run podman rm all podman images. We deleted the container, but we still have the image. How to delete the image? Podman rmi all podman images. We do not have any more images. Everything is deleted. That's all. All tasks are completed. Just to add, as you can see, the image we created is now available in Red Hat Quay, quay.io. Thanks for watching.